how to reverse a video in CapCut. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reverse a video using CapCut in just a few simple steps. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss anything. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Here, start a new project or open an existing one. Now select the video clip that you want to reverse. If you only want to reverse part of the video, use the split tool to isolate that specific section. Once you've selected the clip, scroll along the bottom toolbar all the way to the right until you find the reverse option. Tap on it, and CapCut will take a moment to process the video in reverse. After it's done, you can play it back to see the reverse motion. It's perfect for creative edits or cool rewind effects. And that's it. If this helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.